Hey, what's going on? My name is Keegan. I am a sales engagement consultant over here at Greaser Consulting. And what I do is build out cadences, sequences, awesome playbooks, and then help teams enable their reps when using these systems. So my tip Tuesday for you is actually utilizing the tagging feature and building out lists to organize, right? So let's say you have hundreds of leads at that point, and every rep will get to that point where they have hundreds and hundreds of prospects that they're working, and there's different stages, right? What we could do is we could actually go through and tag our top prospects that we're targeting this week or that month. And it could be that, we went into their profile information, had a good conversation. They didn't quite convert yet. So we're going to go tag them. And we can add these tags like Keegan Otter's at bat. And then at any time, if, I'm just looking through all my different prospects and whatnot, I can actually go in and filter by tags, find my list, and from here I can be more efficient with one-off tasks while they're in sequence. So I can actually queue up a call. So then when I go to my homepage, I have all my calls queued up. And then I can execute those extra calls. So I can do this in the morning and in the afternoon using local presence and then one of my designated numbers to call a prospect twice without them knowing. So now I'm leveraging multiple assets of this product to, again, increase my chances of getting a hold of that prospect and booking a meeting like so. So this is my Tip Tuesday. And if you want to implement this tip, then get in touch with us experts and our team. We're happy to help.